Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to translate your Facebook page on your PC. It's a useful feature that allows you to understand and engage with content in different languages. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook on your PC and log into your account. This will give you access to your Facebook newsfeed and profile. Step 2. Once you're on the Facebook page, right-click anywhere on the page. A context menu will appear with various options. Step 3. From the menu, select Translate to. This will automatically translate the content on the page to your preferred language. Now you can easily understand posts, comments, and other content on your Facebook page that are written in different languages. Remember, the translation may not be perfect, but it will give you a general understanding of the content. You can always disable the translation if you prefer to view the original language. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.